What happens if you don't fix your car wheel alignment issue? In this video, I'm going to share with you the consequences of not fixing your car alignment issue. Welcome to AutoCare 360. If this is your first time joining me on my channel, it's a pleasure to have you here. And if you're already a follower or subscriber, thank you for coming back. For the benefit of those who doesn't know what car alignment is basically the adjustment of the car suspension system to ensure that the wheels and tires are very straight. For that matter, the car moves very straight and smoothly on the road. When the car is manufactured, all these are done by the manufacturer. So the car moves very smoothly and also very straight. But over time, when the car is being used, these alignment settings go out of settings, and several factors causes these alignment issues. Some of these includes driving on potholes or bumping on potholes. Also, driving on an uneven road can also cause alignment issue. Moreover, broken down or malfunction of some components within the car suspension system can also cause alignment issue. So how do you identify or know that your car has alignment issue? One, when you notice that your car is pulling you right or pulling you left, it's an indication that your car has alignment issue. And this is the very obvious one many people or many drivers use to identify car alignment issue. Also, when you start to notice that your car tires, the inner part of your car tires and the outer part of your car tires, be it the front or the back, are getting damaged, it's an indication that your car has alignment issue. That is another one. When you see that the back tires of your car or the wheels is tilted, right? It's tilted. It's also an indication that your car has alignment issue. So there's front alignment and then back alignment. But many people know of the front alignment. I always check this by going back and then stand at a distance, and then you look at your back tires. When you look at it and you see that your tires are tilted, right? They're tilted that way, means that your car has back alignment issue. When you are driving on the road, you can even see some cars that are in front of you and the tires are tilted that way. So when you see that, it means that that car in front of you has back alignment issue. And I think some people call it camber settings. I don't know if that is the right term. If you know the back alignment, the term for the back alignment, you can comment it below. That is for the back alignment, and that is generally some of the characteristics that you can use to identify whether your car has alignment issue or not. When you are seeing this and you don't fix it, what are some of the consequences that you are going to face? The very first one is that if it is in front and it's pulling you right or left, it causes some discomfort for you as a driver. Also, you put a lot of concentration on the steering, so this makes it very uncomfortable driving the car. It can lead you to an accident. When the car is pulling you right or left and you are not fixing it, you are actually subjecting yourself to an accident, most especially when you are on top speed, because the least mistake that you do, the car will pull you off the road and you can collide with other cars or objects nearby and leading you to an unnecessary accident that you could have prevented. It damages tires. So when your car has an alignment issue, it will damage your tires in no time. So either your inner part of your tires or the outer part of your tires will get damaged in no time. And I think some of you have this experience. If you have this experience, also comment it below. Moreover, it also can damage some components and parts of your suspension system. It might put some excessive stress on some components of the suspension system, which can cause premature failure or a total breakdown if it continues for a very long time. So these are some of the consequences of not fixing your car alignment issue on time. The very first one is discomfort driving your car, also damage to your tires, and lastly, possibly breaking down some components of your suspension system. It was a pleasure serving you with this information, and thank you for watching the video till this end. My name is Ishaq Ahmed, and I help auto enthusiasts set up auto repair business. So if you want to start an auto maintenance business, I help you do it very simple. I've designed setup packages that includes all the tools and equipment you need to start your workshop. For instance, if you want to start a mechanic shop, I have packages that have all the tools and equipment you need to kickstart. If you also want to start a vulcanizing shop or a quick fix shop or a lube bay shop, I also have packages for you. Some of you have filling stations. If you have filling station and you want to start your lube bay shop, I have a setup for you. You just have to get the package and then fix the equipment and tools and you kickstart. So I and my team help you do that very simple. Everything is shipped directly from China to wherever you are. My team in China and myself will help you get this done. So it doesn't matter where you are. I'll get it shipped to you in your city or your nearest port, and you can get your equipment and tools to kickstart your business. Don't forget to subscribe or follow, like, comment, and also share the video. See you in my next video. Peace. Salam. Bye bye.